Go hard or go home.
Think about Afterburn.
You know, I watched this class for probably 3 months before I was brave enough to try it. I was afraid that I wasn't going to be strong enough or fast enough, or that everybody was going to be just able to do something that I wasn't able to do. But after taking it for a while, I realized that anybody can do this class. You just sort of do it at your own level, and it is the best workout I've ever had.
Afterburn's awesome. It's the best workout I've ever had. Work up a sweat, love the social energy, everybody pumps each other up. It's awesome, it's a great time.
My kettlebells are bigger than yours.
Oh man, it's been awesome. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it when I first started. The workouts were tough, but once I got started and going, I figured out I could work at my own pace, and now I just try to keep up with everybody else, and it is just so awesome. I've toned up so much, and I look forward to another 6 months of it. It is awesome.